Afternoon again, it's on First Class V here. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to change the operational status icon through the equip sit. So a couple issues that I've seen in my battalion, for example, if you have a vehicle that's overdue for service, it should hit the equipment situation report or ESR, no service plan data, whatever it may be. So the reason for that is the equipment status icon has to be set manually. So I'm going to show you how to do this. So the first thing we're going to do is go into our equipment situation. You're going to type in your UIC like I showed you in the previous videos before. I search A to Z. Execute, let it load. All right, so right here in the tech status icon, I always sort D to Z. Okay, so if you look here for the stop sign for administratively deadlines, right? We have a headquarters 73 that's admin deadline, but it's being reported as fully mission capable. So to do this, it's simple. You're just going to click on the green square. You'll change it from maintenance or supply. So the difference between maintenance and supply. So on your ESR, if you have parts on order and not on hand, it's non-mission capable supply. The minute those parts come in, you change it to non-mission capable maintenance. All right, so once you change it to maintenance or supply, whatever one you need, you'll hit execute, you'll refresh, and now it's being reported as non-mission capable maintenance. So I hope you like this video. Please hit that subscribe button, leave your comments down below. There's going to be a series of videos that is coming. So if you want to learn something special or you have a desire to go in depth with a certain topic, please let me know. Thank you.